Whether you're buying or selling a home, you know I'm going to send you over to those Callaways because they are the ones that are going to take care of you, finding the perfect home. And of course, we always have with us Joe Coleman. And what do you have for us today?
We've got a wonderful 85254 property, of course.
Yay.
Yep, 14227 North 57th Way. It's a beautiful tri-level home with a great pool all the way set in the back corner of the lot. It's on a wonderful bend of the street, so you get plenty of privacy, split plan. Wonderful back patio, just actually a huge back patio. The whole house has been updated top to bottom, meticulously cared for. Wow. It's just really a must-see. It's something you've got to come by and see. 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths. It's just a beautiful home that's absolutely going to go quickly.
It sounds gorgeous. And as always, we are always telling people that 85254 is the best zip code in my eyes, just because I love that you get the Scottsdale address, you get the Phoenix actual home, and then you get the Paradise Valley School District. That's huge. So this is going to go quickly, and you know everybody's going to still need to contact you because you're going to help them find a different home if they can't get this one, right?
Absolutely, buying or selling, especially in 85254, always give us a call. We've been there for 25 years. We coined the magic zip code, so we have an affinity for the zip code as well, and just love it. So.
All right, well, thanks for joining us again.
Thank you.